Let's unbox this boba tea that Drink Pearly just sent me. So they sent a box of the sampler pack that has 5 different flavors and then just a box of the taro by itself because that's our favorite. What are we gonna make? I knew he was gonna pick that one.
First, we're gonna do the tea. Then we're gonna do the boba.
So we're gonna start by popping the boba in the microwave for 25 seconds. Then pour the tea mix in 5 ounces of hot water. Then add some ice. Then some more water. Followed by the bobas. Then mix it really, really good and drink and enjoy. So good.